Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my clear soup recipe, which is my go-to recipe whenever somebody is sick in our house. So in a pan we'll take some oil and some chopped garlic. To this I will add some grated ginger. This gives that a really aromatic flavor to the soup, and some green chili. Then we'll lightly mix all of this and let it cook for approximately 1 minute. Now add half chopped onion and gently mix everything again. Once the onions are slightly cooked, you can add any vegetables of your choice. I am taking the mixed veg pack that we get from Costco. So here it contains some green beans, peas, carrots and corn. So I'll mix that. And then I will add a lot of water. Here I'm adding 4 to 5 cups of water. And then this is the special ingredient of this recipe. This is vegetable bouillon paste, which I have also used in a lot of recipes. You can get this from Costco or from Safeway, or if you don't have it, then you can use any vegetable or chicken bouillon paste or cube of your liking. And it contains a lot of salt, so make sure you add salt after tasting the soup. Now, to give the soup that sour flavor, I'm going to add 1 chopped tomato. You can skip the tomato if somebody has sour throat in your house, or if you don't prefer the soup to be sour. And then I will add some baby corn, chopped baby corn. These are canned baby corns that you can also get from Safeway or Lucky's or any grocery store nearby. And then I will lightly mix this and let it boil for a few minutes. And lastly, I will add some chopped cabbage and some broccoli. And since my daughter loves broccoli a lot, so I'm adding a lot of broccoli to the soup, but you can choose the quantity of vegetable as per your liking. And then we will let it simmer for a few minutes. Now, to enhance the flavor of the soup and aroma, I am adding some chopped cilantro here. And this will give that a very refreshing, fresh taste to the soup. Now I'm gonna just taste the soup and see if it requires more bouillon paste or salt. And if so, then I'm gonna add that and adjust the seasoning. Then to thicken the soup, I'm adding the slurry of cornstarch, but if you prefer your soup to be thin, then you can also skip the step. And then lastly, I will be adding some crushed ground pepper, black pepper to the soup, and also some vinegar. Vinegar is optional, so if you don't like your soup to be sour, then you can skip that. So here you go guys, your simple clear veggie soup is ready. This has become a hot favorite in our house, and I'm almost making this every other week. And I also make a big batch and store it in my refrigerator, and whenever I need some comforting food or soup, then I take it out and heat it. And I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe, so please do try it and let me know how you like it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know in the comment section below how you like this recipe and what you would like to see in the future. I will be posting one new video every week. So until next time, bye bye and take care.